that contains a total of 200 t-shirts. Of those, 100 t-shirts are good, 30 t-shirts have minor defects, and 10 t-shirts have major defects. Now the trader Venkat, he only accepts good t-shirts. However, trader Pooja, she will reject only the t-shirts that have major defects. So notice the criteria for trader Venkat and trader Pooja, they're different. So if one t-shirt were to be randomly selected from the box, what is the probability that the t-shirt will be, question 1, acceptable by Venkat, question 2, acceptable by Pooja? So here is a trader Venkat. What are Venkat's criteria? Venkat will accept good t-shirts. Venkat will reject t-shirts with minor defects. He will reject t-shirts with major defects. So the total possible outcomes will be equal to total number of t-shirts, which is 200. Now, number of favorable outcomes or t-shirts which are acceptable to Venkat will be equal to the number of good t-shirts, which is 160. So the probability of picking a t-shirt which is acceptable to Venkat will be simply 160 divided by 200, or it will be 4 divided by 5. Now let's find out what is the probability of t-shirts which are acceptable by Pooja. So here is our trader Pooja. Now what are her criteria? She will reject only t-shirts with major defect. That means she is going to accept good t-shirts. She will also accept t-shirts with minor defects, and she rejects t-shirts with major defect. So again, total possible outcome will be 200. Now, number of favorable outcomes for Pooja will be different from what we had seen for Venkat. Why? Because Pooja will also accept t-shirts with minor defects. So for Pooja, it will be good t-shirts plus t-shirts with minor defects, which will be 160 plus 30 or 190. And so we can find out the probability that we will pick a t-shirt which is acceptable to Pooja will be 190 divided by 200, or simply 19 divided by 20.